Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in and supporting my videos and supporting me as well. I want to say like, subscribe, and comment, and press that bell button if you'd like to see more videos. Let's stop talking and let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, this is a hair review from a company called Atozwig, and they sent me a 4x4 lace front Brazilian wig, and it is a 10-inch. I will do the unboxing first before I get into the pros and cons. So yeah, let's do that. So this is the box that it comes in, and I've looked at other people's reviews, and they've always got a bag. I've never seen nobody pull out a box, so I believe that they upped their packaging, and you guys know that packaging is one of my favorites. So this is the box, and also in the box comes a weaving cap, which I have a bunch of these now that I don't use. And then here comes the wig. So this is the wig. And actually I did dye this wig. This wig actually came like the color I have in my head, a black color. So let's just go ahead and get into the pros and cons. You guys know I like to start off with my cons first and then move on to the good after I'm done. So let's start off on the cons of this wig. The cons of this wig is that, as you can see, they have a lot of sharp pieces right here, and I'm like, is the hair broke off? Like, what's going on? So I had to take some Got2b glue. I did use Got2b glue, and I laid the edges down, but they don't. So I'm gonna have to get something stronger. I know I see a lot of people use a stick, like a gel stick or whatever it's called, so I'm gonna try to get one of those. Another con is that this wig doesn't take bleach well. And when I say that, I mean when I was bleaching the hair, it was smoking. So if you're gonna use a developer, use the lowest developer as you can. I started off with a 40 developer, but use a low developer because your hair will start smoking. So this is the wig in the inside, and it's mesh, of course, right here. And then you have your 4x4, and as you can see, I had just put the bleach on and it dyed through my lace. So I tried to use the I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a lightning shampoo, and it didn't work to take the brass out. So I was left with this. It did have a black like lace in it over the closure, and I'm not understanding why, but I cut that out. I don't know if you can see, like, they still have some of the lace. Yeah, so it comes with a comb right here, 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. So yeah, that's my only cons about this wig. Everything else I really like. So let's go to the pros, because you guys know that's my favorite part. The pros about this wig is the texture. I'm really happy with the texture. I've had a lot of Brazilian, and you guys may be like, what's the difference between the textures? There is a difference. If you've experienced a lot of hair, there's a difference between Brazilian or mink hair, stuff like that. So this texture is really nice. I really like the texture. Another one of my pros is the smell. It doesn't have a strong smell, and I'm really fond of that because nobody wants to be walking around smelling like, you know, pennies. I always say it smells like pennies. If you guys think it smells like something else, let me know in the comments, but I always think hair smells like pennies. Another pro about this hair is that even when I was bleaching it and it was smoking, this hair is still not shedding. And you guys know that is one of my pet peeves, shedding hair. Nobody wants to be walking around with hair on their shoulders, stuff like that. So I think that's really good that the hair isn't shedding. Another pro is communication. They emailed me through my business email, which is always in the description box if anyone is looking for it. They emailed me somehow we managed to get on Facebook. Yeah, somehow we managed to switch through there, but we always kept in contact, whether it was on my email or my Facebook, whatever the case may be. This is an Amazon-based company. I'll leave all their information below. Yeah, this is my first time doing an Amazon-based company because I'm usually doing AliExpress or something like that, but this is an Amazon-based company. I'm really fond of this wig. I haven't got to try it on yet. This is the hair. If you guys want to see a video what it looks like on my head and me styling it, let me know. I'll definitely do that. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, please comment below. And I really want to say thank you guys for tuning in. This really was a short review, but stay tuned.